Okay, so for anybody looking to get the Icon leaf spring pack, ran into a couple of little issues here. So the advertised 3/8 of an inch rise, the way they're shipped, it's definitely much higher unless they considered settling after driving. Because I'm getting, let's go over here. So removing this whole plate and this riser from the stock suspension. I did not put this back in with this spring pack from Icon, and I have gone up over 1/2 inch from the other side. That's the stock. So I'm gonna try something here, and I'm gonna take out 2 leaves out of this pack, and I'm gonna see where that puts it. So I will update you when I get it that far. Yeah, I shall return. Okay, so I removed 2 of the leaves out of the Icon pack to see where it put me, and so far it looks good. So I'm running 32s, so it actually makes the tire fit the wheel well a little better. I haven't done the other side, so it's sitting a little high. I'll probably go down just a smidgen more, but I am a little bit below stock. I think I was at 9 inches from the top of the wheel to the bottom of the fender there. Now I'm at just over 8 inches. And on the other side, yeah, it's at 9. Just over 9. So I can do a walk around real quick. So I'll actually be able to lower the front because I have the Icon coilovers in the front as well. So I think it'll actually end up making the tires look better on the truck. That way the wheel well ain't so empty. And yeah, I think that'll be great. Let's go to the other side. So I still have the stock. So this, yeah, 9 inches here. You can see there's just a lot of empty space. So going down 3/4, 1 inch, whatever it is, I think it'll look great. And then I'll go down 1/2 inch, I guess, in the front. And I'm gonna go with it, and then I'll test drive it and see if taking out those 2 leaves has made it too soft or not. Yeah, so I'll get back with the results. All right, so little update. I took 2 leaves out of the Icon pack, installed everything, both sides, and I might put one back in. I mean, it's much softer than it was. It's a good ride, that is for sure. And the articulation, way improved. Inches improved. I didn't measure exactly how much, but probably 2 to 3 inches per side in articulation. It's actually maxing out the shocks now, so the limiters to shocks, it used to be the springs. Yeah, so I might add a spring back in. So I was at what was it, 9, not messing with it at all, and then took out 2 leaves. Now I'm at like 7.5, 7 3/4 from the top of the wheel to the bottom of the fender. So yeah, I might update again, maybe, if I put that other leaf in. All right, cheers.